Meet your new friends.
Come on, Taboozes. Put your lights on. Hang on a second, I gotta get my drink.
No, you're taking this whole thing.
Yeah. Okay, now we're ready. Going to the basement to meet Tabby's new friends.
How do I show them her? These are your new friends. Don't eat them. I put it on the chair or on the ground?
You can put it on the chair if you want. What's in there, Taboozes? Does that look like prey?
No. Don't encourage her. Let's see this. She's just smelling them. She is intrigued. She doesn't know that. Good kitty. Yeah, be bored with them.